For you to get the garter, I would like you to dance your way to your wife. Sasayaw ka muna, papunta kay Shay. Tapos, pagdating doon, luluhod ka and get the garter. Okay, go! Music! Yes! Go! Yes! That's it! Okay, got it! Yes! Sa harap ka, teka, harap. Sayawan mo ba si Shay? Sayaw! Yes! That's it, Earth! Kneel down, Earth! Ngayon mo lang ba siya nakitang sumaya? O, tingnan mo, napasayaw mo? Where's the garter? Show it to the guests! Here's the garter, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, Earth. Ang galing mo sumayaw.